Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, hey guys, voila. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Celine. It has been a minute since we chat together like one to one. It has been a voiceover, true, but anyway, I've been enjoying doing voiceover, but this one I need to speak at the T. I need to speak at the T. You already know what is the time. No long talking. Why am I doing my hand so much? Anyways, I'm too much. You guys know that. You guys love me for that. Thank you. Hey guys, today I'm going to be coming up to you. Speed out the T, Juvia's Place Foundation and the magic. We're going to see the magic, if it is real, if it is not real. I'm going to be coming up to you with a first impression on Juvia's Place. I am Magic Foundation and the concealer and the blush and the brushes as well. I'm mine for ages to get Juvia's Place brush set, but I wasn't feeling the vibe that much. I have I think the Nubian and the Masquerade palette, eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I decide to get myself a new brush set since I'm taking the opportunity, using the chance to spend some dollars on the foundation and the concealer. I said, why not? Purchase these brushes. Like seriously guys, I'm so amazed. I'm so impressed with this brush set. Like seriously, super well constructed, super well made. You have 8 brushes set for $45, so I think it's not really a big deal. It's okay, we can deal with it, but don't forget the texture. It's amazing, and I like the fact that it came with the real thing, the real made tools that I need when it comes to makeup. A foundation brush, 2 foundation brush, and we have a powder brush. We have our nose contour brush. You know I love contour brush, and we have two blender brush, one pointed and one fluffy. We also have an eyeshadow flat shading brush. Don't need any other thing when it comes to makeup. And we also have a eyeliner brush. I don't think I'm going to be using, maybe I can try it to see how it works, but I like the fact that it came with also an eyeliner. Is that we don't have a spoolie, but we are going to go have a bunch of spoolie. But these four brushes right here guys, these 4 brushes sets, oh my days, like seriously, they are super long. I cannot even compare it with my cosmetic brush. Like seriously, you see that it's amazing, well made. So yeah, I need to be careful. I like the fact it's good and red, and yeah, foundation and the concealer. I got this Bella blush. So yeah, let me show you quickly. Okay. I love the packaging. Like it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Look at how it looks like. Perfect for the season we are right now. It's a very beautiful bright orange color blush. It's so amazing, and it's very pigment as well. With one touch you're good to go, as you can see right there. And this was $8. $8, okay, so you can convert it to euro if you're living in Europe. So here we have the 3 product that is more exciting about this video. We have the foundation, we have 2 concealer, I have 1 contour, and I have 1 highlight. Let's check the foundation first. The foundation first is the main key for this video, okay. It's very small. It's really small, and it was $20 in the shade Accra. So yeah, I got Accra. Ghana baby girl. It looks like a tube, it looks like a face cream or face mask, and yeah, it's okay. I like the fact that it's not that big, but I also don't like that it doesn't come with a bottle, so you cannot really see how the shade looks like. But other than that, I like the color. It's super peachy. I love the color a lot. And the foundation, what the foundation claims to be doing, let me read a little bit. Second Skin Cream Foundation offer a smooth application with soft natural and soft matte finish to give a flawless coverage and great formula to even out without the complexion refined skin. texture and creasing. Isn't it creasing? And it's also written here, and blemishes, mattifying and natural finish throughout the day. Okay, for all oily skin types, including starving and oily servings and oil skin. So yeah, free formula. So yeah, it's beautiful. It claims to be covering every blemish that you have on your skin. It also claims that it's not creasing. It also claims that it's a very good application. It also claims that it's a very small foundation. It's very creamy. So we are going to be seeing everything on this video. I'm not opening it at all. So yeah, you can see it's still closed right there, because I really want this to be a first impression, how I'm going to feel about the shade. I hardly get a foundation online. Seriously, I've said this all over. I've said this all the time on my channel. I hardly get a foundation, purchase a foundation on camera, not on camera, online. The only foundation I know I can ever always buy online is Melanie Plus Concealer Foundation, concealer only one. That is the only foundation I can know, because I know my shade. It covers blemishes, it covers dark circles and whatever, yada. Okay, so in the shade I got concealer in number 7, which is the one to use to contour. This is how it looks like. It looks super duper beautiful. It kind of reminds me of the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It looks very beautiful. I like the fact that the color is just so peachy, and it has this kind of a beautiful applicator, as you can see, exactly like this is a darker shade. This is the one I'm going to use to contour, to sculpture my face. Okay, the lighter shade, the one I'm going to use to contour, to highlight under my eye, is in number 13. Okay, number 13. This is how it looks like. Beautiful. And the color kind of reminds me of NARS Creamy Radiance Concealer. I like the fact that it has this kind of big applicator, so you can easily, you know, apply a lot if you're that kind of person who apply a lot of concealer at once. So yeah, they are very beautiful. Very beautiful. Let me tell you the disadvantage to get this product right here. I remember a long time ago when I purchased the palette, the Nubian and the mascara palette. I ordered it on Amazon. We say it Amazon. In English it's Amazon. Okay, in Dutch we say Amazon. In English it's Amazon. So with that being said, etc. Hey guys, so to get this product, it was super fast. Okay, I ordered it. I placed an order on Friday. I got it on Monday. So does it worth the price paying for? Like seriously, 50 euros. You hear me say it? I paid 50 euros to get this product. Just the 4 products. We have 2 concealer, we have 1 foundation, 1 brush set, and 1 blush. Like seriously, 50 euros is it's a bit of coin, darling. It's a bit of coin. Okay, the reason why I paid 50 euro to receive that, it was more than 50 euro to just to get the product, not even to place the order. And the shipping was $20. Okay, the shipping was $20, and the transport just to deliver it to my house number, I had to pay 36 euro 50 cents, and which is now written on the website that I have to pay extra euros, my extra beautiful euros to get the product. Like seriously, I was crazy. You can see me on phone speaking with the guy. It's like seriously, are you going to be duping me? I was so crazy. Guys, I'm going to be doing the foundation, highlight, and contour. So for my eye look, I'm going to be doing a camera, because the main tea is on the magic. Stick around. If you're interested, you want to see how the foundation and the concealer on my skin. If you're interested, please keep watching. Okay, please keep watching.
wanna show you what it feels like. Don't say you don't need me at all. And forgive me if I hurt you, baby. Don't you say that I did on purpose, baby, no. Where are you looking? Are you looking, baby? Tell me. You really hurt me when you hurt me when you left me, no. 'Cause you know. Where are you looking? Are you looking, baby? Tell me. You really hurt me when you hurt me when you left me, no. 'Cause you know that I'm sorry, but you don't. Where are you looking? Are you looking, baby? Tell me. You really hurt me, baby, hurt me when you left me, no. 'Cause you know that I'm sorry, but you don't. Where are you looking? Are you looking, baby? Tell me. You really hurt me, baby, hurt me when you left me, no. 'Cause you know. Gotta bear, let her rescue. I gotta love, let her last. I gotta kiss since I met you. I got your name on my notes. I got everything, but I don't have you. 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 Gotta be let her rescue. I gotta love, let her last. I gotta keep.
So guys, what do you think? Voila, what are we not thinking? What are we going to comment? Comment down below. Let me know what you think about this I Am Magic foundation by Juvia's Place. And I'm loving the result, and I'm loving the shade that I picked up, because I think it's perfect for summer, but trust me, winter I don't think I can rock this foundation, because in summer, like everyone knows, we are more darker, okay? Women of color, we are more darker when it's summer. In this foundation a lot in summer, and it feels very, very good on the skin. It's not heavy at all. It's not heavy at all. So I'm loving the way it looks like. Bear you in mind if you're getting this foundation, please do not apply so much, because it's like 200% full coverage, okay? It's also written, it's not creasing, it's going to last all day, which I cannot wear foundation long all day more than 8 hours. Yeah, other than that, guys, I'm really loving the foundation. I'm loving the foundation a lot, and for the price, I think it's a bit too small. The bottle, it's the tube right here, it's a bit too small for the price. It's a drugstore, okay? It's a drugstore. We don't really have any complaint. I'm loving the fact, I said it at the beginning of this video, I'm loving the fact that it's a peachy shade. The only critique I have about this foundation, that it didn't came with a bottle, you can't really see it. So yeah, to get your shade is going to be really, really hard, okay? To buy a foundation online, it's easy at all, darlings. It's not easy, but when you know exactly your shade, when you know what matches your shade, if you're a foundation junkie like myself, so I think you can't really go wrong when it comes to, you know, when you're NC50, when you're chestnut, mahogany, you know what I mean. So I think you can also rock this Accra shade right here. This is for this foundation, and for the two concealer, for the highlight and for the contour, guys, hands down, super full coverage. They are doing the job. They are super creamy. I think you can let this concealer under your eye for a couple of minutes without you having problem while blending. It's very blendable, workable, very beautiful as well. So you can let it sit under your eye to, you know, to cook a little bit, to stick into your skin. You know what I'm saying? If you watch this video to the end, you know what to do. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like. Let me know what you think if you're going to be buying this foundation. If you have already, how do you feel about it? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you regret buying it? Okay, let me know. Okay. No long talking. Thank you so much for watching. Take a chat.
I got a kiss since I met you.